Hey everyone!
Hi guys!
Yay! So Ani looks like she's ready for the festival.
I'm ready. I just need like a flower crown.
I know,
and,
we
like,
need to
a
get
side
you
bag, and I'm ready to go.
But I created this look on Ani using all CoverGirl products because CoverGirl sent us an awesome box.
Yep.
Hashtag not sponsored. We just wanted to use their products because we got
They're
the
really
box.
great.
Yeah. So it's only a limited amount of things we use to create this look, but I like it because we're doing super natural, but with a pop of
And a little bit
color
of glow.
and a little bit of glow. So you're not trying too hard, but you look fab. You're gonna get compliments.
Super easy tutorial.
And for giveaway, stay tuned to the end because you don't want to miss this
It's
one.
good.
All right, we're gonna start with the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow. It's their new product, you guys. It's a luminizing lotion and it has a lot of vitamins, vitamin E, B3, B5. What I like about this is that it's really light, so it's perfect for a festival look.
Perfect.
And it's not like a heavy foundation or anything. It's like even lighter than a tinted moisturizer, I want to
I
say.
usually love having like a sunscreen and a tinted moisturizer, like a BB cream and things like this.
Yeah, this is like even lighter than that. It's like just like a little glow basically to your skin. It's like a moisturizing lotion and a glow. See, as you guys could see, it's just like super light. You could do it with your hands too, but I'll spare Ani right now.
Your claws.
Yeah.
I love when Nora does my makeup, you guys.
I'm so gentle.
No, I just get to sit here and then I open my eyes and I have makeup on.
Alrighty. And next up, we're gonna use a concealer because since we're doing super, super light on her face, we want to add some concealer to cover up those, you know, not those dark circles that you don't have.
The mom bags? Is that a thing? Mom bags?
Girl, you're going to a festival. Leave the mom away right now.
I'm just kidding, my kid sleeps through the night. I'm fine.
Okay, so it's the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. We don't want to use too much because we don't want to have too much concealer when we have like really no. And then next up is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. So we're gonna use some powder around her face just to set in like what we've put on, because like if you don't put any powder right now, you're gonna go out and it's gonna
like, melt
immediately,
away.
especially festivals because they're so hot, it's gonna melt away. Yeah. Okay. For her eyes, we're gonna use the Healthy Glow. It's a highlighter, but I'm gonna use it for, it's like a highlighter illuminator. So we're gonna use it on her cheeks and her eyes because her eyes are, we're not gonna be putting any like strong eyeshadows or anything. So I'm gonna use my fingers actually. And look how pretty that is. It's so light. And it's like
I love like a little subtle glow.
yeah, it's like a subtle glow that we're gonna get right now. And you could actually keep this in your bag and while you're at the festival, or just in general on summer days, I feel like, you could touch up your lips, your cheeks, your eyes with this.
It's such a good idea.
Right? I'm so smart. I'm actually gonna do it on the under eyes as well.
It's like moussey.
Yeah, it's creamy. Moving on to mascara. See how like easy the eyes were and looks like super cute light. We put them, I'm using the Peacock mascara because it's one of my faves.
And this comes in a waterproof version too, so if you want to put a waterproof.
For a festival or summer days, you should definitely use waterproof, you guys. Because then you don't want to be that girl that has the mascara like running all the way on her eyes. And then for her under eyes, I'm going to add some black here. Just like really light with the mascara. Just to give you that like little pop here at the edges. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So like really lightly. So it's almost like black eyeliner, and it'll stay because it's mascara. All right, now Ani's favorite part.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. So with eyebrows, what I like to do, as you guys know, is brush it down first and set the line. and then brush it up and just fill in whatever that needs to be filled in. And now I'm going to use the same glow and apply some on her cheeks.
Fun.
Like a highlighter. And then I'm going to apply it on her cupid's bow. See how cute that looks? I like it because it's not a greasy glow. You know what I mean? Like a greasy product.
I like that. I love like a moussey, almost like a matte glow, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
It's not oily.
No, not at all. Okay. Now, we kept everything super light, but then we're gonna have Ani pop. Like, we don't want her to just be like, oh, like just another girl at the festival. We want people to be like, oh, wow, that girl's makeup looks really cute. Oh, that girl's lips are popping.
Oh my god, they're saying all that?
Yeah, they're saying all that. So now we're putting the CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade in Flamingo, and this is a poppin' pink.
Oh my god, and you know I love a poppin' pink.
Right? All right. OMG. And last but not least, of course, you need the Look Lockup, which is all-day setting spray. We really need to set this girl in if she's gonna be in the hot temps, a hot festival. Just put some extra.
Yes.
Put some.
It's nice and refreshing.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Oh, it smells good. All right, you guys. So I showed you guys a really simple way to get a festival look without looking like you're trying too hard.
Yep.
And we literally only used a handful of products, so you don't need to pack a million things when you're going to a festival.
Yeah.
Just, you know, grab a few and you're on your way.
And you're ready to glow for the day.
Yay! So for giveaway, we're gonna give away some of these products that we use, the CoverGirl products. So leave a comment below, tell us what other looks you want us to create, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel because that's the only way you could win.
Yay!
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.